I'm Joe Pedor with Wisco Lift. I'm here today to do a series on chain slings, and we're going to talk about the different components that go with chain slings and the different styles and the number of legs. You can make chain slings 1 leg, 2 leg, 3 leg, or 4 leg, depending on the capacity of what you need and depending on how to balance the load. There's many different components that can be used: grab hooks, foundry hooks, sling hooks, and even safety hooks or latch lock type hooks. Okay, so now what we'll talk about is a single leg chain sling. The single leg chain sling can come in many configurations, as you see on the table here. This first one is using an oblong master link and a sling hook. It's a single leg, so it'd be an SOS for single leg oblong master link sling hook. If you didn't have the sling hook on there and you used a grab hook, then it would be called an SOG. A grab hook is normally used to grab back into the chain after you wrap around what you're going to lift. Or you could use a safety hook. Safety hook is a locking latching hook. So this would be called an SOSH for safety hook. And you also have a foundry hook, which is used if your picking lug is a larger diameter. So this would be called an SOF. So now what we'll talk about is a two-legged chain sling. Normally these would be used when you are picking up a heavier item. You need more capacity out of your chain sling, and or you need better balance, that you have 2 pick points instead of 1. So in this case you have 2 legs, so it would be a D for double. You have an oblong master link and sling hooks. So this would be called an DOS for double oblong master link sling hooks. And of course, if you don't want the sling hooks and you need safety hooks, then you have your 2 latching safety hooks, and this would be called a DOSH for safety hooks. Okay, now another option with chain slings is you can make the legs adjustable by adjusting grab hooks. So you would use more connecting links, and you would add adjusting grab hooks to each side, so you can adjust the length of chain in case you have a non-symmetrical load or a load that has an offset center of gravity. And to pick the load up, one leg would have to be longer than the other. So you adjust into your grab hook, shorten up a leg, and this way you can pick up the load level. So we've talked about the different types of chain slings and the different hardware that goes along with them. So if you would, join me in part 2 when we talk about the different styles of hitches, the different types of hitches, and how it affects the working load limits of the different chain slings. And if you have any questions, just call us at 800-242-3477, or you can visit our website at www.wiscolift.com. Thank you.